matcha. Ang dili ang mga tomodachi. Ang init dito, grabe, Smay. Makuha yung laman ng tangkong. And mga tomodachi, we are here now in Fukutsu, Fukuoka. We're going to Miyagi-Dake Shrine. Look at this tree. It's so interesting. It's a tree with an eye. Inagab, here in my channel, Inagab Tomodachi. Kumusta na po kayo lahat? Okay, gides ka? Napakainit pa rin dito sa Fukuoka. Nakakatamad talaga lumabas. Especially now, it's August already. Ito ang pinakamainit. Ichiban Adsu. Pero sa news naman, meron namang news na mukhang uulan this coming days. I'm just not sure kung kailan yon, pero sanang umulan. Yung ulan na medyo naman yung hangin medyo lalamig konti, di ba? Kahit konti. Nagmamakawa pa kahit konti. Yun. Kaya, eto, day off uli ako. Ngayon lang uli ako nakapag-day off Kaya ngayon lang uli ako makapag-vlog. I decided to make our dinner. And tonight, I'll make katsudon. I'll make katsudon and katsu curry. Isa pang katsu, nalalagyan ko ng green salad or vegetable. Isang katsu with green salad. I'll start now making our dinner. Okay? Well, anyway, mga tomodachi ko, katsudon is a Japanese meal. We should deep fry first the pork loin, breaded with flour, egg, and of course, breadcrumbs or panko. We'll put this on top of our rice bowl, and then we'll add the Japanese sauce. My own version of making katsudon is quite different from the ordinary version of making katsudon, because the ordinary version, once they fried already or deep fried already the pork loin, they boil it with the Japanese sauce. But me, since I want to eat my pork loin and while it's still crispy, I don't boil it with the Japanese sauce. I'm just putting the Japanese sauce on top of my deep fried pork loin on top of my rice when I'm about to eat. Well, anyway, I'll show you how I make my katsudon later, okay? So I should really use apron from now on. From now on. Then I'll dry this with a kitchen paper. Then I'll trim the hard parts or the griddle. Then I'll add salt. I'll apply salt on my meat. And I'll also add some pepper. We also need flour, all-purpose flour. I don't measure my flour, but the ideal is 1 to 2 cups. It depends on the amount of meat that you will use. And then we also need panko or breadcrumbs. And I also need two eggs for my batter. Let's heat now our cooking oil. So let's start cooking now our tonkatsu or our pork loin. First, we dip the meat in the flour. Let's make it even. And then, let's dip into the eggs. And then, the last is dip it in the breadcrumbs. Let's do the same thing as we did in the flour. Let's let's apply it evenly. Oh, so. That I can say in Japanese. So. Okay, we can put this now in the hot oil. Ooh. I need to put this in the lower heat. Check now the first meat that is fried. Oh, here. Here's the first meat that is fried. Then we'll drain the oil. So we'll put now the last meat. Let's wait for 2 or 3 minutes more. Okay, let's check now the next one. Oh, this already cooked. Here. Cook also curry. I should make first the ingredients for curry before I proceed to my gyudon. Okay? Okay lang ba? The ideal measurement of cooking oil is 2 tablespoons. So this is the curry that they asked me to cook. Okay, let's saute now the onion. Then I'll put now the ground beef. I'll use the ground beef. Maybe 200 or 300 grams. I think this one is enough already. I think this is only 200 grams. Once the color of the meat changed already, we can put now the potato. I forgot to buy carrots. I should have carrots also for curry. But it's okay anyway. Gosh. This is how easy to cook the curry. I don't put garlic. I don't use garlic for curry. And once the potato is likely sauteed already, we need to put a cup or 2 cups of water. No contact. Okay. And let's put them into a boil until the potato tendered already. And if the potato is already soft, we can add now the curry paste. Okay, 5 minutes is finished. Let's check now the potato. Let's check the bigger one. Oh, it's okay already. So we can put now the curry paste and dissolve it. And then we just dissolve the curry paste. I think I need to add the other half here. So I'll add now a cup of milk, of fresh milk. I'm putting milk in my curry. I put already. It just happened that I didn't take a video. I put a cup of milk already. Instead of putting more water, I'm putting milk. And my curry is done already. I need to turn off the heat. Here is my curry. For my katsudan sauce, Okay, I'll start making now sauce for my katsudon. This is 1 tablespoon of sake. Then I'll also put 1 tablespoon of mirin. And a tablespoon of soy sauce or shoyu. 2 tablespoons of dashi. And a tablespoon of sugar. But it's better if you will use brown sugar. And then mix it. And mix it. Bring it also to a boil. And now that it's boiling already, we can put now the onion. Boil also the onion with the sauce until the onion became already so soft. Let's beat a piece of egg. Now that the onion is soft already, we can add now the beaten egg. And it's done already. This is the sauce for my katsudon. And here it is for my salad. Okay. I'll cut it like this. And I think this is enough already. I'll cut now my green onions for my katsudon. And I'll put this katsu for my katsudon. There, my katsudon. And here's my katsudon. And I'll put now the sauce that I cooked earlier. It's done already. It's curry. Put now the curry on top of rice and katsu and tonkatsu. That's curry. Yummy, yummy, green salad. Some tomato. I like this. I'll choose the nice one. And then I'll add the katsu. Yeah. I think this katsu is so small. To do with green salad. Yan. Ayun na nga ba? And then, what else? Okay. Bon appetit to us. We can have our dinner now. And we're ready to start now. To start our battle. Ako sa mga restaurant.
Sabi ko ang kain niya kain.